guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm sharing my daughter special day prom day makeup and hairstyle. She was looking gorgeous, stunning and glamorous. So I done natural makeup, not very heavy. So guys, I will show you step by step how I created this look. So guys, without delay time, let's begin. I applied moisturizing already once, and this is the second moisturizing applying from Estee Lauder. Day Wear Multi Protection 24 hours moisturizing, keeps skin hydrating. She has a dry skin. Then doing color correcting from Huda Beauty Flux Filter Corrector. You can see she has a slightly black circle eyes. Very important to do color correcting according to your skin conditions. So I'm applying under eyes for slightly black circle eyes and where she got uneven skin tone. Then blend out properly and let it dry before apply the foundation or BB cream. Next, apply BB cream. It's give you natural and light look like your skin. Perfect for the teenager, not very heavy like a foundation. Next, apply concealer 2 shades lighter than BB cream from L'Oreal to match Radiate Serum Concealer Light Medium 3R. Then apply under eyes, forehead, chin, near mouth and cheekbone and blend out properly till the smooth look. For blending, I'm using small brush. Next, apply cream contour stick from NYX Medium Tan and apply in the cheekbone, forehead, nose and jawline to give face structure and definition and blend out till the smooth and seamless look. Make sure there is no harsh line left. Next, apply clear eyebrow fix and place gel to keep eyebrow lifting look. Her eyebrow is naturally look good, thick and black, so no need to draw the eyebrow. Next, apply same concealer in the eyelid, and she want to apply bridge of the nose as well, then blend out properly. Next, set up with a loose translucent powder from MUA and apply in the cheekbone, side of the nose, under eyes and the eyelid to lock all concealer before it start to crease, and dust out all excess powder. Next, doing eyebrow makeup. As a eyeshadow, I'm using powder bronzer from MUA, Sun Kiss Bronze, and apply whole eyelid. Jasmin wants eye makeup simple, only one color and nude. Same bronzer apply in the lower eyelashes and smoke out, and apply eye pencil in the waterline. Next, apply eyeliner from Magnetic Fake Eyelashes from In Smart. It's come with lashes from Amazon. So first apply thick eyeliner and let it dry. Just apply the eyelashes, no need to glue. Next, apply mascara from MUA Loaded Lash XL Intense Impact Mascara. And when the eyeliner dry, put the fake eyelashes. Same powder bronzer apply in the cheekbone, forehead to give some sun kiss effect. Next, apply liquid blush from Look Me and apply in the high point of the cheekbone. I like to blend out from my clean finger, better to blend out. You can use the blush brush to blend out. Then apply powder blush from Revolution, is called Cheeky, and apply higher point of the cheekbone. She don't want to apply too much, so I'm using peach color and applying slightly. Next, apply highlighter from Deluxe Diva Baked Highlighter 01 Lively Champagne and apply in the higher point of the cheekbone. Next, doing lip makeup. Lipstick she choose from light nude color is called Smart Fusion 404 from Kiko Milano. Lip liner from Stay True color 101 eyeliner and lip liner pen. So guys, this is her final school prom party look with beautiful blue prom dress and matching jewelry and curl hair. So Jasmin looking stunning, glamorous, beautiful. So guys, thank you so much for watching my video. Please don't forget to subscribe, comments, likes and share the video. See you soon. Love you all guys. Bye.